Welcome back. Strides Pharma gains in trade after its arm gets a US FDA approval for a potassium chloride oral solution. Ekta, first in simple terms.
Well, it's, a drug which is used to improve the potassium levels in your body.
Okay.
But so they've received approval for this particular oral solution from the US drug regulator. Now, it's important because the company has said they have a pipeline of other potassium chloride products which are expected to be approved and launched by FY24. And the entire cumulative market opportunity is expected to be around $330 million. The products will be manufactured at the company's facility in Bengaluru and will be marketed by Strides Pharma in the US market. Just want to point out in terms of US sales, where does Strides stand? It is interesting because last quarter was actually a very good quarter for Strides when it came to the US business. It's around 50% of their total sales. They did sales of $60 million versus $46 million Q-on-Q and versus $34 million on a year-on-year basis. So it was a very good quarter in terms of the US sales, and they're sticking to their guidance of $250 million in terms of total US sales in FY23. And it seems as though now the market understands that the US business is probably picking up pace for Strides.
Okay, and you need potassium chloride in your body because it will help you regulate your heart rate as well as your heartbeat. So it's a very important ingredient. If you don't find it in your natural consumption, natural food, then perhaps you need all these supplements and oral solutions. By the way, the Nifty is taking a turn for the worse right now. So we're closer now to that 18,200 mark. A little bit of a downtick coming through just in the last 10 minutes or so. Pull up that intraday chart and you would see the markets have slipped. Adani Group stocks, Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports have lost ground. Tata Motors, there have been a barrage of negative news this week. The Tata Motors CEO had resigned, and now there are worries about the EV SOPs which are given to JLR in UK that perhaps may come under pressure. So Tata Motors too is slightly subdued in trade. The Nifty Bank too is down nearly 0.5%. With that, we're out of time on Midcap Radar. Your stocks when we return.